All right, guys, back again. So, this is a product that I tried. I did get this off of Amazon. This is Nature's Way sambucus. If I'm saying it right, elderberry original syrup. It's got all the exterior, all the ingredients, directions, all that stuff. Now, this smells very, very sweet. It does taste good going down, and it does the trick. I have taken it myself, and it's just a very, very good product. Plastic container, you don't have to worry about dropping it. Excellent, excellent product, and that's why it's on the Natural Products Guys show. All right, guys, coughing your brains out, look it up. Nature's Way, sambucus, elderberry cough syrup. Don't go out and go to CVS and get none of this other crap. Stay natural. The good stuff, it'll last. Thanks for watching, guys show. Have a good one.